We are talking juicy pulled chicken today. Welcome back to the Silly Kitchen. If you have ever wondered, because you've never done it yourself, how to get that beautiful pull apart chicken for whatever you're making, here's how. Let me take you through it. Simple and easy, just a couple little tips and it will be flawless. So the first thing you want to do is get your either boneless, skinless chicken breast, your skinless bone-in chicken, chicken legs, lots of different options of cuts here will work for you, but I like to just put it right into my pan that goes into the oven. And the big thing here is we need to keep the moisture in. So covering it up with either a lid that you have for your pans or a really nice tight seal with some aluminum foil does the trick. You want to cook it at 350 degrees, covered up, don't touch it for 45 minutes. If you're worried about the chicken not being done, get yourself a meat thermometer. It is the foolproof way to just make sure that everything's ready to go and you're checking for 165 degrees internal temperature on that chicken. And that's it. You're gonna take that out of the oven, let it sit for a few minutes and then uncover it and you can see all of that steam come out because we've kept it locked in there. You're gonna see tons of chicken juices that have oozed out during the cooking process and that is what has kept it so moist. I like to just take a fork and start kind of pulling the chicken off of either the bone or if you're using boneless, skinless, just start shredding it with a fork. At the end, if you have some bones left, you just want to make sure none of that ends up in your shredding process and put those off to the side. You can store this in your containers. You can do so many different recipes with this, from pulled chicken on a sandwich, tacos. Oh my God, pulled chicken tacos, such a good idea. Throw that into soup, make chicken salad sandwiches. I mean, I could go on. But this way you have that beautiful pull apart, juicy, tender chicken ready to go for any meal that you want to make. Thank you for hanging out with me on the Silly Kitchen, talking about chicken and cooking it real moist and real good. I want to know, what are you going to make with your pulled chicken? Till next time.